So my friends, welcome to day 3 of Christmas challenge Olga Art, and today's topic will be Christmas tree, right? So the most Christmas topic ever. So this particular sketch I will start drawing without any pencil. I would start drawing it straight with markers and black liner. So let me make some outlines. I put my Christmas tree not in the very center, but slightly to the right, and let's show its height. So it will be this height, for example, and basic form. So I hope you will drawing with me all these days of Christmas challenge. And by the way, you can use all these drawings maybe as a Christmas card or just drawings to decorate your home. Of course, if you have any questions, please ask me them in the comments, and after this live stream, after this drawing is done, I will check your questions. If you're watching this live stream on YouTube, please don't hesitate and ask your questions in the comments. Alright, guys? So this is kind of a quick little preset, and we are almost done. So I hope you're enjoying this challenge. The main thing is to create this nice Christmas mood, because I'm a girl from Russia, from St. Petersburg, and I got used to these white Christmases, plus I lived in Denmark for 3 years in Copenhagen, and I'm really used to this nice cold weather. Well, now I'm living in New Zealand, and as you know, this is southern hemisphere. That's why, like, 1st of December, it's the first day of summer. So today is December 3rd, and it's the 3rd day of summer. So we have very warm weather, even though it's very, very rainy today. So I'm trying to create this beautiful Christmas mood by making this challenge for you. I hope you're enjoying it, guys. So now I'm switching to my markers, and as always I love to start with the lightest colors in tone. On this particular paper, it's really important for it to get dry a little bit. Now I will use the white nib of my marker, and you can see, right, that my liner, it's not completely dry, but it's fine, as it's, you know, it's sketching, so no worries if some mistakes, even though I can't tell that this is a mistake, occur. So we put this color here and there. Also, I think I will instantly put this color to the Christmas tree as well, because I want this feeling of unity in my drawing. I want that everything would look united and interesting. So I put this color. The next one, I'm gonna switch to Copic sketch. This one is E31 color, and it's also tint of beige, but a little bit darker. So that's what I want to create. I want to make this bottom parts of interior a little bit darker here, as well as this flooring area around Christmas tree will be darker. And it's so interesting because some of you in my day 1 and day 2 called me a girl from Russia. She called me Snegurechka, and Snegurechka, it's a Russian personage. She's a daughter of Santa Claus, or Russian Santa Claus. In Russia we call Santa Claus grandfather Frost, so it's a very, very old kind of guy. And he has this beautiful granddaughter who helps him like to put snow on the trees. And it was so nice when I saw somebody called me Snegurechka because of creating this nice Christmas atmosphere, I guess. So next color will be from Touch. This is potato brown, and I put it on the flooring. So I want my flooring area will be a little bit darker. So I really love using markers. The colors look absolutely brilliant. I adore this beautiful bright colors, and you can very quickly create a nice little sketch. Even though one of my favorite techniques from the childhood, I would say it's watercolor, but for the work and for my courses on interior design drawing for beginners and for advanced, I definitely prefer markers because it's so much easier to start coloring with them. That's why I teach in my courses this technique, even though I have a course on watercolor in interior design drawing, but for now it's in Russian only. So please let me know if you want me to translate it into English, because in English I have only 2 courses on interior design drawing with markers. One is for beginners, its name is Base, and another one is for advanced users. So next thing, I think I will also put this color to the Christmas tree, even though, as you know, I will use these beautiful green colors for my Christmas tree. But once again, in terms of making my sketch unite and I want it to look quite realistic, I will put this color as well, because as you know, in realistic kind of drawing, it's all about making reflexes. So all the colors, they affect each other. So now switching to this green color, and first I think I want to outline some no, let's switch to the blue one, because first thing I want to outline this beautiful Christmas decoration. This will be this buns. I hope they call it buns in English, because in Russian we call them banty. Alright, so some beautiful blue color. And by the way, do you know what is the color for this Christmas? I'm just wondering, because you know they always used to have some particular color for each and every year. So I don't remember which color was last year. Maybe it was golden or violet, something like that. So just really wondering what's the color for this year. And you can see that markers can create these beautiful layers, and by doing layers they create this new tints, new colors. So I think it would be a good idea to put some maybe blue right under the Christmas tree. Maybe let's add some kind of pattern. And also we want to put maybe some presents under the Christmas tree. And now, yes, now I will switch to my green color. So I want to make this area in green. And as you know, Christmas tree, its branches, they are very irregular. That's why I'm doing these chaotic movements with my with this nib of the marker, because I want to add this feeling that it's natural form, it's an organic form. There are no super precise lines, they are very lively. You can put them even in different directions. And of course you can find your Christmas tree inspiration maybe on Pinterest, as I found, or maybe on simply Google search by putting search like Christmas tree ideas or decoration. So something like that. Also I will put this color maybe to the shadows, maybe once again to these drawings, because I really want this to look very nice. Also I think it's a good idea to put this Christmas decoration to the staircases, because once again it will unite the entire sketch. And then I switch to a darker tint of green color. So I will make some accents with it, like that. You can see that this Christmas tree is very, very decorated. There is a lot of different things on it, a lot of decor, so we can see maybe 50% of its actual greenery, right? So it's very, very beautifully decorated, and I think I will darken it a little bit to the bottom. So I'm darkening it to the bottom part. And once again, as you can see, when I use marker, I try to distribute it throughout the entire sketch, because it will make all the drawing very, very unite. So in terms of these beautiful things, I think I will use maybe light blue color, a little bit, or maybe mint color. Actually, I want to try this mint color. This one is from Style File Markers, and yes, I will use it here and there. So you remember that the background for this Christmas decoration was light beige color. Actually, this one was the base, and now I'm just doing some tints of this lovely mint color. So it looks like that. And let me know in the comments what was your favorite holiday when you was a child, because mine definitely it was Christmas, like New Year. And it was an amazing time of the year. Like everybody was waiting for Santa Claus, or in Russia we were waiting for Ded Moroz, like Father Frost, as I told you in the beginning. And yeah, it's such a lovely time when the dreams come true, then you can create a lot of wishes. It's such a lovely time. Right, so a couple of layers here, because actually we are almost done with this drawing. Some maybe final dots, and finally I think I will use maybe even black marker. So some more precise lines, and we are almost done. Just a little bit to make this tree even bolder. It's like our protagonist, but always be very, very careful with such a bright and bold color as black, because it's really, really easy to overdo, to overuse it. So be very, very careful. So maybe I'll put some dots here. And finally, I think I would love to use this white pastel pencil for some Christmas lights, some final decoration. Yeah, I think it would be also a very good idea to add some lights to the Christmas tree with white ink gel pen. Yeah, I love how it looks, and it instantly creates this beautiful atmosphere of Christmas lights, right? Here I would love to make this part a little bit dark. Let's assume that we have a door there, and this part I want to darken it a little bit as well. So this is a little bit brighter, so to darken this drawing a little bit, and maybe here. And now I would love to switch to this darker brown. I will add some staircases here and there, and let's put it here, some accents, you know. Also maybe there's something standing, maybe a piece of furniture, something like that. Some final details, and of course we will add this color to our beautiful Christmas tree. All right, we'll add it as well to the Christmas decor here and there, because you see how instantly it brightens the scene. Yeah, I love how it looks. So let's add it here and there, maybe to this Christmas decoration things.